Welcome to Sometime 4. Today we're working with page 51. And today's lesson is called Proportion 3. Remember, proportions and ratios are more or less the same thing. And today we're talking about simplest form ratio. In order to express 850 meters to 1 kilometer as a ratio in its simplest form, we first have to express 1 kilometer in meters, because we always have to have both parts of a ratio expressed in the same forms. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. After that it's very simple. 850 over 1,000, because 1,000 meters is the same as a kilometer. 850 divided by 10 is 85. 1,000 divided by 10 is 100. So now we're down to 85 over 100. But 85 can be divided by 5, which makes 17. And 100 can be divided by 5, which makes 20. So now we're down to 17 over 20. We can't simplify this equation anymore, so the ratio of 850 meters to 1 kilometer is 17 to 20. Now, ratios do not indicate units, simply 17 to 20, not 17 to 20 meters. Get it? Now let's talk about fractions and ratios. Let's express this ratio in its simplest form. 2 3/4, 8 1/4. How are we going to express the ratio of 2 3/4 to 8 1/4? Well, first of all, we have to change the units to quarters. 2 3/4, that's 2 times 4 equals 8, plus 3, that's 11 quarters. 8 1/4, that's 8 times 4, 32, plus 1 equals 33 quarters. So now we can compare 11 and 33 quarters. 11 to 33 is the same as 11 over 33. 11 goes into 33 3 times, so the ratio is 1 to 3. So what started as a very difficult looking question, 2 3/4 to 8 1/4, can be simplified to a ratio of 1 to 3. Okay? Let's talk about dollars and cents ratios. Let's express 72 cents as a ratio of $1.20 in its simplest form. Well, we have to express both sums in the same units. So we have 72 cents and 120 cents. 72 over 120, well, 72 can be divided by 3 to make 24. 120 can be divided by 3 to make 40. So now we have 24 over 40. But we can simplify even more. 24 can be divided by 8 to make 3, and 40 can be divided by 8 to make 5. So now we have 3 over 5. 72 cents as a ratio of $1.20 is 3 to 5.